Hey guys, welcome back to Maggie's Musings. I am making granola today. I'm also making some soy yogurt in my Instapot, and while I'm waiting for it to finish, I thought I would share a recipe for granola with you. So what you'll need are 3 cups of rolled oats, not instant oats and not quick cooking oats. I have 3/4 of a cup of sliced almonds. Now, you can pick and choose what you like to put in your granola. You might want to put some raisins in here, but I don't have any raisins, but I do happen to have vegan chocolate chips. Oh, wait a minute, I don't want to add them yet. Hold on. If I add them now, it's going to melt in the oven. These you'll want to add at the end. Next are some coconut flakes. I have about 1/2 cup of coconut flakes. I'm going to give this a little stir. Two teaspoons of ground cinnamon and 1/4 teaspoon of salt. Now, you can use 1/2 cup of maple syrup or agave. Either one is okay. I'm using maple syrup today. 2 tablespoons of a light oil. This is grapeseed oil. And a teaspoon of vanilla. Oh, new bottle. Okay, and you just give this a good stir. Now your oven should be preheating at 325 degrees. And I prepared a baking sheet with parchment paper covering it. Okay, just stir to get everything well coated. Like I say, you can add whatever you like in here. Some pumpkin seeds might be good. Pecans, walnuts, raisins, craisins, you name it. You can really put in just about anything you'd like. I think in this particular one, if I had some banana chips, that would be really good, especially with the chocolate chips and coconut in here. All right, let me get my pan. Just spread it out on your prepared pan. And you're going to put this in the oven to bake for 25 to 30 minutes at 325 degrees. And you want to go in every few minutes and stir this. I'd say maybe every 10 minutes or so. It really starts to smell delicious. Okay, you can see how nice and toasted this is. It's still a little too warm to add the chocolate chips. I have made that mistake of adding the chocolate chips too soon and wound up with a giant melted mass of chocolate and oats. So you want to let it cool for a few minutes and then we'll sprinkle those vegan chocolate chips on. If you have an Instant Pot, making your own yogurt at home is so easy. It takes 2 ingredients and I've got a video on how to do it in the description box below. If you enjoyed this video and found it helpful, please give it a like and consider subscribing to my channel. Thanks for watching and I'll see you next time.